Good afternoon, AAL students. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to submit your attachments to the science homework. So please pay attention. You will choose your science homework, go to classwork, and then we are going to choose one of the assignments. This was assignment for Tuesday. You had a small video on Pearson to answer a question. Please make sure that you are answering the questions in a complete sentence so I can give you full credit for that. Then you have other attachments that you need to work on. We're going to go ahead and open this attachment, and you are unable to actually add your answers on here. Okay, so this is our vocabulary words from our lesson. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to the top right corner of the page, and there are three small dots that you are going to click. It gives you two options: details or opening new window. You are going to be opening in a new window. This actually gives you the option to submit this paperwork on your science assignment later on. So you will get the option here to open with, and you're going to choose which software you wish to open this document with in order to edit it. So I have actually been using DocHub, which I find a lot easier than other software. So I choose DocHub, and it'll take me to that particular software. It'll take me to that particular software in order for me to edit and answer and input all my answers on there. Let's go ahead and wait. I don't know why it's taking that long. And there we go. All right, perfect. So now I have actually, on here, I can actually edit and input my answers. What I do is I will choose the tool to write my text in here. You don't have to put your name in it, it's okay. So there are a number of tools up here. I can actually white out, I can actually insert a comment, I can highlight, I can write, I can insert a rectangle, a circle, a line, or an arrow, and I can add text. So for this particular assignment, we're going to be adding text. So you're going to choose the letter A. You're going to click on that with your mouse, and that'll give you this plus sign and A hovering over. So wherever you want to input your text, you're going to click with your mouse one time, and you're going to get that blue box. And now I am able to actually write my answer. So now I have my answer under. Then if I want to continue doing it, I put another box and I continue to write. If it's in a place where you are not able to see, this blue box actually appears. Either you can delete it or you can move it, okay? And in order to drag this comment, I click on my mouse and I leave it pressed down, and I actually move with another finger where I want to place this comment. Then I release my mouse. Then if I want to continue inputting another answer, I do so as well. I can go ahead and continue to move that, and then so on and so on. So that's the way that we actually input the answer on the document, okay? Now, let's say that we are done, excuse me, we are completely done with this worksheet. Now I want to save it. Make sure that you please save this to your Google Drive. That way, if Mr. G has any issues observing the document once you attach it to the assignment and turn it in, you still have another copy and you don't have to do this all over again, okay? So you will come to the top right corner of the page, and you have three different icons on here. You have share or send. I don't want you to do that yet. You have download and export, and then you have this icon here that gives you many other options. So we're going to choose the download and export, and it's going to take you to this window right here. So here you're going to choose G Drive. This is your Google Drive. This is where you can actually save your documents that you work in. You can actually submit it to Google Classroom, save it onto Dropbox, or many other options. But I suggest that you do it on Google Drive just so you can have an extra copy in there, just in case something happens. Then here you're not going to touch anything else but create a new copy. You're going to highlight that, and it's going to give you a drop down menu here where you get to input your name. So you hover your mouse over and you click it once, and now you can actually input your name for that worksheet. That's all you're going to be doing on there. Then you're going to click export to drive, and it's going to begin to save that document that you have worked on. Once it saves it, you click OK, and now you're going to be able to close all of this windows here. Okay, so now when I go into my class and I choose that assignment, here's that assignment. Now on my work, I'm able to add that worksheet on here. There goes my worksheet right there. So I am able to choose this. I click on it and then click add, and it'll continue to add it on here. Now it is on there. I am able to turn in my assignment. It will ask you twice just to be sure. You say yes, turn in, and now I have actually turned in my assignment. Now I am completely done with that assignment. I can click Mr. G's, I click to class work, and then it'll stay on there, but it is already turned in. So once I go to my account, I get to see who has turned in their assignments. So if I choose classwork, it'll show me all of the assignments. Here is the number of students that have turned in. Now, the reason that I'm sending this is because here's the assignment that I actually submitted right now, okay? With my attachment that I completed my work vocabulary. The rest of the ones that have submitted the assignment have not attached anything to it. So I haven't received emails, or I haven't received pictures via text message. So I suggest that you do it on here so everything is done electronically and you don't have to be taking pictures of anything else and submit it via email. It's all through the Google Classroom now. So please make sure that you submit that worksheet complete, that you edit it and input the answers on there, and you would be done. If you have any questions, give me a call, email me, or text me. All right.